So, hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker and welcome to another drone video. As you can see, I now have the controller mounted to the handlebars of the bike, and I have Litchi, which means I should now be able to get the drone to hopefully follow me. So that's what I'm here to try out today. Obviously James is with me.
Yep.
He's here in case anything goes wrong, basically. Oh god, I've just deafened you all by breathing.
No, I don't think anything's going to go wrong anyway. You're going to be fine.
Hopefully. Right, first things first, let's get this up in the air. I mean, the drone's actually behind me. The drone's up. How high is that? Is that high enough so a van's not going to hit it, James?
Yeah, I think it's just about safe from a van. Just.
I do a little higher. Right, then I believe I put this on to follow.
So it turns out it follows me. See you later.
No, it's basically, from what I understand, it follows a signal from the controller.
Okay.
So it should just follow basically where I go, but it's not actually tracking me. Accuracy 3 meters. How do I tell it how far away I want it to be and shit? Oh, here we go. Altitude 10 meters, distance 10 meters. Let's put that up to like 15. I don't know how. The remote control. Okay, so it says I need to set that to normal. Set to start. Please ensure there are no obstacles. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, okay.
Healthy. Oh, where's it going?
I don't know.
Where's it going? oh, I see what it's doing.
Oh, it twitched there for a second, didn't it?
Yeah, that looked really good.
Oh, is it following? Oh, it's following me from the side, I think, which isn't what I want it to do. How do I change that?
Or follow your ass.
Follow settings. Yeah, that's fine, but it's following me from the side. I don't know how I changed that.
Unless, of course, when you start moving, it will start chasing you from the back.
No, because I have seen a tutorial where it does it from the side. Then you... Shit! I don't know how I change it. My video format. That doesn't do anything. Follow distance. I mean, I don't mind if it does it from the side. I just don't know if it's going to be at risk of hitting anything. That's all. Hang on, I'll come back to you all in a minute when I figured this out. Right, what I've done is I've basically moved it manually, and we're going to see what happens. If I lose my 200 and something pound drone, I'm going to be devastated. Where is it now? Okay,
or your like 90 something pound phone and whatever else.
Phone's replaceable. The drone is not so much. Right, here goes
drone.
Absolutely. Oh, there's a car coming.
Drone is drone.
Right, it's either going to follow me or it won't.
We'll find out.
I'm a bit worried that it suddenly twitched out of nowhere. Huh? The fucking motors aren't on the way out.
No, I think that's just it literally trying to position itself.
Right, I'm clear. There's nothing behind me, is there?
No, you look good. No way, car coming white, but you're good. You're good.
Loads of room. Right, I'm off. It's not moving.
I'm stupid! I'm stupid! Recording started.
Okay. Alright, it's following me again. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
I'm going to look up a bit. Right, let's see how this goes this time. There's a car coming out, of course. James, mate, you're sitting a bit close to the edge of the road there.
Should I move?
I would. Right, nothing coming your way, is there?
No, you look clear.
Right, I'm off. Oh crap, it's following me.
Yeah, it's after you. It's after you.
This is pretty freaking sweet. Yeah, I can see it on the phone as well. I mean, it's quite far off, in all fairness, but it is keeping up. It is following.
Yeah, it's keeping up with you. Another bike approaching from the rear.
Noted. And up we go. Put it in neutral. Ooh! I think that was a Tenere. I hope you can see the drone on the camera. It's right. What I'm going to try and do now is come back towards you and see if it actually keeps following me. Right, there's nothing coming, is there? No.
All clear on this.
So I'm basically. Oh, well, didn't do too well on that.
Right, I can't see it.
Right, I'm going slow. It's turning. Oh, yeah, it's still following me.
B.
Is that a? Oh, it's actually right behind me.
Yeah, I see it.
It's just doing quite well.
Yeah, dude.
Ba-boing, ba-boing. Right. Where is it now? Oh, it's there. Right.
Yeah, it's pretty much at your 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I see it. Right, I'm going to tell it to stop now. Okay. I said that worked well. Obviously, I think it's recording in 4K. I bloody hope so. Right, let's pause that. Right. What I'm going to try and do next is use the active track and get it to follow you, James. Yeah, you look good. Oh, it's moving. It's doing something. Oh, it's very twitchy. Yeah, it doesn't like it.
Doesn't like it? That's good.
I was told the active track on this was shit.
Yeah, that's fair. Well, at least you know.
Yeah, I was told it was going to be a bit crap. He's coming back, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes. The one and only James.
Ole, 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 ole.
Yeah, it was proper like, proper jolting up and down. It was not happy.
Oh, dude.
So it wasn't doing that when it just followed me. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, I'd get in quick. This car is hauling arse.
You're good. I saw it in my mirror coming up.
Right, I'm gonna try and get it to follow me again.
Yeah, go ahead.
Right, let's get that set up then.
Yep.
A few moments later.
Right, we're gonna do another one now where James basically is in front of me, but it's following the signal from the controller. I was advised that the active track on this was garbage because obviously it's not built in, it's a third party, but the follow seems to work pretty well, which is also what I've heard. I put my glove on and realised I can't have it on yet. Right, first of all, how high is it? That's high enough to clear a van, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that looks good.
Right, let's lower the camera a bit. Click record.
Don't mind me showing off.
Start, go. Oh, okay, it's gone a bit higher. Where is it going? It's doing its all. I need to. Obviously, I'll probably have to play around with this a bit more in the future. Can I tell it to go back a bit?
Hey, bruv, back off. I wonder if we're going to be like third-party guests in another kids video now.
Oh yeah, true. You'll probably just go on Instagram. I doubt it's on YouTube. Right. Alright. Calm down. Right, obviously we'll let all these cars fuck off and then we'll go. Remember, slow bus, yeah? We don't want to go too quick. There's a car coming the other way now as well.
No more above 30.
Yeah, right, don't go. Because there's one coming the other way. We'll let that fuck off and then we'll give it a bash. Right. Once this one's passed, ready when you are.
Alright.
And we are away. Right, it's following. Yeah, this is a good speed. It is a million miles away, but it is following us. Right, and then basically just pull over now-ish. Very good, sir, very good. Yeah, I'm in neutral. And the drone is now catching up.
Very good, very nice.
And It's here! It's a little crazy, but it works.
Yeah, you can see where it tries to stabilise itself.
Turn the engine off. Right, that does indeed work. It's not perfect, but it works. And probably with a bit more tinkering, I could probably have a go. What it is, I think I might need to... I think where I'm putting it up so high, I might need to tell it to follow me at a lower altitude. Maybe put it in sport mode rather than normal. Right, anyway, stop following.
Recording stopped.
Stop recording. Right, I think we'll leave it there. We've proved that the concept works. I'll have a bit more of a tinker around of it, and if I get any more footage, I'll put it on after this. Oh, hang on. I was going to lead this into a bit about you needing coffee, but I don't know how to do it. James, do you need coffee?
Always need coffee.
We're going to go get coffee. Right, thanks for watching everyone. Ta-ta.